Good Saturday morning, everybody. Hope you're all having a great day. Today is what, the 28th, 29th of, today's 29th of September, and we're making cookies for tomorrow. Gracie's getting them all ready. There you go. And she's putting them in. I'll let you say hi to her. Look at that. So you all know that we're getting the cookies ready. Got all kinds of cookies we're making out here. Got a couple of them done. And then, if you look over here. So the cookies are in the process of being done. Go back over to me. So anyway, we're making cookies. We're going to be making bread in a little bit. Hi, Stefan. Good guy. Stefan, good guy. Hi, Lexi. So tonight there is the dance over at the Veterans Home. It's open to the public. There's a live band. We do it the last Saturday of every month. Yesterday was Alan Roman's benefit down at the barn. I heard they had a really good turnout and everything else. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a great day today. So we're getting these cookies all made up. I'll show everybody one more time. Alright, we made these from scratch. And we made it with our new mixer. You think using the new mixer is pretty easy, Gracie? You like that new mixer? You like the new mixer? Yeah. Okay. Hi, Amanda Steinkamp. Hey, Larry Embry. Say hi to Larry and everybody. Okay. So then today, we're also probably going to go out to the edge of the orchard and start getting pumpkins. Now, you guys want to know how crazy my daughter is. Seriously. You want to know how crazy she is? She asked me when she could put up her Christmas tree. This is not Christmas. We're not even on Halloween yet. We're not on Veterans Day yet.
Ava has her Christmas tree.
Just because Ava has... If Ava jumped off the Bayview Bridge, would you?
Yeah.
So if Ava jumps off the bridge, so would Gracie. I would push her. I really would. I just get out there and just, oops, I pushed you.
You wouldn't have to.
You would jump off the Bayview Bridge. I think you'd be a little scared.
Me and Ava.
Anyway, so I hope everybody comes out to the dance tonight and everything else. What? Okay, we got two more. Oh, we got to wrap some more cookie sheets. So we'll talk to everybody. Well, here you go. Let me do this. Let me grab some cookie sheets. Grab these other cookie sheets and let's go. I'll let them watch for a few seconds. Now we're going to get these other cookie sheets done. Alright. Alright, there you go. Yeah, great. I'm putting tin foil down on the sheets because I don't want the cookies to burn on the bottom. And for some reason, I have a bad habit of burning cookies on the bottom unless I use tin foil in my cookie sheets. I think I have one of these downstairs. I just don't use them all. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so we're getting cookies. Just want everybody to say hi, so you guys see the cookies. We'll let everybody know how they're going. Hi, Megan. Hey, Manuel. Colton. Colton, the new daddy. All right, so.